Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Asana with the Excel sheet. This is very helpful if you use Asana to manage your tasks and projects and you want to send the data directly into Excel. So with this setup, you can create a report, you can track your work and share updates in a very simple way. And before we start, remember to check the description below this video. I have added the official links and updated information there. So it's always a good idea to look after watching this video because tools like Asana and Excel get new features all the time. Alright, now let's jump in. I will walk you step by step through the process so you can follow along easily. Don't worry, I will keep it simple. Now if you integrate your Asana with Microsoft Excel, then you have to work with Zapier. Thanks to Zapier because it made the integrate very easy. So if you don't have any account on Zapier, so just go to zapier.com and make your own account. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes. So after you log in to your account, just simply click on this create button or plus button. Then you will see there is some option. We are going to automate a workflow, right? So that's why we are going to select this one, like Zaps. So click on this. Now on this page, we have two options. One is by using Copilot, which is AI, but we are not going to do that. It's a little complex right now. So just simply click on this trigger. So in this trigger, what we are going to do, what the audience, what the customer will do. If someone or if a customer do something, an activity on our Asana, it will be redirect and it will be stored on our spreadsheet, right? So that's why our trigger will be Asana. So let's find the Asana here, and here it is. Just click on this. Now in this right panel, you have to do something, and that is the trigger event. If someone complete a task, if someone attach a new task, if someone attach a new comment, so what the trigger point? So I have selected completed task because I want if someone complete a task on Asana, it will be stored or redirect on our Microsoft Excel. So after that, just simply click on this sign in because we have to authenticate or we have to connect our Asana with Zapier. Just simply click on this sign in. Now let's connect your Asana account with Zapier by just simply logging in your Asana account. But remember one thing, if you don't have the Asana account, you can go to your Asana website like asana.com and you can simply create a new account from here. You can see our Asana account is integrate or connect with our Zapier. Now let's simply click on this continue. So our Asana is connected, right? Now let's go to the action. Just simply click on this action. So if someone complete a task, what will happen? It will create a new Excel, right? So that's why we will select the Excel here. So if you want, then you can search here. Here it is, Microsoft Excel. So select this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now same thing here. You have to select an event, like what is happened. Let's say I'm doing this, add a new row. If someone complete a task, it will add a new row on my Microsoft Excel and the information and everything will be integrated with that. So I select this one. Now same thing here, we have to authenticate or connect our Microsoft Excel with our Zapier. So just sign in. Let's accept. Okay, our Microsoft account is also connected with Zapier. Now simply click on this continue. And from here, if you want, then you can select your storage. As a storage, what you will use, Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint. I will suggest you to use the OneDrive. Okay, after doing this all thing like filling this form, just simply click on this continue. Now just simply click on this publish to publish this integration. So that's how you can connect your Asana with your Excel sheet. Once you finish this setup, all your tasks and your project updates will flow into Excel automatically. This makes reporting faster, saves you from manual work and gives you a clear view of your progress. So thanks for watching Easy Access Tech. Don't forget to check the description below this video for the official link and the latest updates. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.